race. Gates open. They're up and racing. Towanits draws for your lead. Then moving up by the rail is My Bukas Pa. Dynamic Love sneaking in down on the inside. Goldmine catching the third spot. Racing in fifth, Tarlac. Then followed by Inner Class. Then followed now by Headline Chaser. So Sir Bryant is second last while Stormtrooper is in behind them. About to pass the last 800. May Bukas Pa. Dynamic Love is by the rail. Gold Mine closing in third. Then running in fourth is Towanits Tarlac. Moving a party outside past the last 600. May Bukas Pa by about 2 lengths. Dynamic Love drops back in second. Gold Mine now pass approaching on the outside. Towanits in fourth. Tarlac and Headline Chaser as the action turns for home. May Bukas Pa still leading the field. Gold Mine remains in second. Headline Chaser is on the outside. With the last 150 more to run, May Bukas Pa. Headline Chaser moving up on the outside. Headline Chaser, May Bukas Pa. And finally, Headline Chaser, May Bukas Pa. Gold Mine, Towanits, Tarlac, Dynamic Love, and Stormtrooper.
Galing, ano?